Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Code Mastery. In today's video, we are going to solve some important questions from HCPCS Level 2. You will get 3 questions from HCPCS Level 2 in your CPC exam, so make sure you're thorough with this section because you can get all these 3 correct. Okay? Before we continue, I have to say this. We hit 30,000 subscribers. Thank you to every single one of you for subscribing and learning with me. Let's keep growing together. Let's start. This is the first question. I will give you 2 minutes to solve this. After that, we'll discuss. So, the trick to solve questions fast is we'll check the options first. Check option A, A4252. A4252 is for blood ketone test or reagent strip each. Option B, A4255. A4255 is for platforms for home blood glucose monitor 50 per box. And option C, A4253. It is for blood glucose test or reagent strips for home blood glucose monitor per 50 strips. And option D, A4772 is for blood glucose test strips for dialysis per 50. Now let us read the question. A patient requires blood glucose test strips for their home blood glucose monitor. Which HCPCS level 2 code should be reported? We checked all the 4 codes. So, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C, A4253, because A4253 describes blood glucose test or reagent strips for home blood glucose monitor per 50 strips. In the question, they are just asking blood glucose test strips for their home blood glucose monitor. So this code is exactly matching. Option A is wrong because it is for blood ketone test strips. Option B, A4255 is wrong because it is for platforms for home blood glucose monitor. And option D, A4772 is wrong because it is for blood glucose test strips for dialysis. It is not for home use. Okay. The right answer is option C. Let us move on to the next question. For this question also, I will give you 2 minutes. Try to solve it and we will discuss. First, let us check the options. Check option A, E0130. E0130 is for walker, rigid, adjustable or fixed height. Option B, E0135 is for walker, folding, adjustable or fixed height. Option C, E0140 is for walker with trunk, support, adjustable or fixed height, any type. And option D, E0143 is for walker, folding, wheeled, adjustable or fixed height. Now let us read the question. A physician orders a folding pickup walker with adjustable height for a patient with mobility limitations. Which HCPCS Level II code is assigned? So which code is correct? The correct code is E0135, that is option B, because it is for walker, folding, adjustable or fixed height. In the question they have mentioned folding pickup walker, right? So it is matching with the question. E0130 is wrong because it is for rigid non-folding walker. It is not foldable. And E0140, that is option C, is wrong because it is for walker with trunk support. It is a different thing. Okay, in the question they have not mentioned walker with trunk support. So we cannot use E0140. Next, option D, E0143 is wrong because it is for walker, folding, wheeled, adjustable or fixed height. In the question they have mentioned pickup walker. Okay, they have not mentioned wheeled. But the code E0143 is for wheeled, right? So we cannot use it. The right answer is option B. Let us move on to the next question. In HCPCS Level 2 coding, what does ambulance modifier RH indicate? For this question also, I will give you 2 minutes. Try to solve it. We'll discuss later. Let us read the question. In HCPCS Level 2 coding, what does the ambulance modifier RH indicate? Option A, hospital to residence. Option B, residence to skilled nursing facility. Option C, residence to hospital. And option D, scene of accident to hospital. So, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C, residence to hospital. HCPCS ambulance modifiers use a two-letter code where the first letter represents the origin and second letter represents the destination. So in the question, RH means residence to hospital. So first letter is origin, that is residence, and second letter is destination, that is hospital. You can find this in your HCPCS manual. Transportation services including ambulance, that is A00212, A0999. You can see they have given each alpha character with the exception of X represents either an origin or destination. Each pair of the alpha characters creates one modifier. The first position represents origin, second the destination. Highlight this. So you can see H is hospital, R is residence. I hope you're clear with it. Option A is wrong because it is for hospital to residence, but RH means residence to hospital. Okay. And option B is residence to skilled nursing facility. That is also not matching. If it is residence to skilled nursing facility, then it would be R. N. You can see the alpha character for skilled nursing facility is N. So, if it is residence to skilled nursing facility, then it will be RN. Okay. And option D, scene of accident to hospital. If it is scene of accident to hospital, then it will be SH. You can see the alpha character for scene of accident is S and hospital is H. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.